Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel easyvcraft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make pepper fish. So let's get started. First take craft paper. Then fold it into a rectangle. Then fold it into a square. Now open one side of a square as shown. Now flip it and same way do at this side also. Now fold one side till the middle line. Then again fold it. Now unfold it and fold it till the line has as shown. Now fold the another side also. Now our fish is almost ready. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now take eye and glue and stick it on the fish. And the fish is ready. You can make all fish in different color. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.